guys, we're up on Durham Downs in Bristol and it's too windy to fly these. I'm going to give it a try, but to be honest it's much too windy, so I'll give them a couple of goes and then I might go and get a kite out instead. I brought the drones with me as well, but it's too windy for them, I should think. Right, we'll try this one first. As you can see, I've put a bit of carbon fibre across the top there to strengthen it, because I tried it with the catapult launch the other day and it just folded up. Right, I'm going to launch it with the wind behind me. I seem to remember I was launching it left-handed. I can't remember. Wind behind me. Let's see what happens. Right, well that didn't work. I caught it with the catapult and knocked the tail off. So, I better go and collect it before the wind blows it away. I didn't expect that, to be honest. That was a bit of a surprise. Try this one instead. Whoa, not very convincing. That wasn't too bad. I think it bent a little bit then on launch. Probably overstressed it. That didn't quite go as planned. I'm going to go and get a kite out instead. It's just much too windy. The foam one broke. Not terribly surprising, but I didn't expect it. The other one's alright, but it is just too windy for them. So we'll change. We'll go for a kite instead. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.